family was a daughter. I see. My mother taught me how to make it before she died.
That's good. Child that follows her mother's footsteps will not encounter obstacles. I know you will make a great stylist someday.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
You're welcome. But I see a lot of obstacles before you. You know you're a very beautiful girl. And beauty comes along with a lot of challenges.
Your Majesty, I'm just a poor orphan that needs assistance. I rebuke anything that is going to be an obstacle in my life.
Your path never changes its spots. You can't change your fate. Instead, you should be determined to face your challenges that comes along to it.
Thank you, Your Majesty. It's only God that protects the dove and its egg. And He is going to protect me.
Of course, He will protect you. He that creates the fish creates waters for their survival. You will not lack anything in this house.
Thank you, Your Majesty. But there is something that bothers me.
What is it?
My mother once told me that when a child that is not of age ties a wrapper and the wind blows, it blows both the child and wrapper away. I'm not comfortable being the chief maid in this palace, knowing fully well that I'm the last person that came here.
Don't let that bother you. When the sun shines, it shines for all to see. It's His Majesty's decision, and no one there questions him. Besides, your colleagues are not complaining.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Yes, ma'am. May I sweep your room first?
No, don't put that. I'll do that myself. Just help yourself.
I said from there, not there, there. Those are the fast.
Well done, young. And have water, lady. They have water. Yeah. Are they not?
Sure, they are. You're welcome.
Thank you. Hope you slept well.
Sure, I did.
You know, His Majesty told us to take proper care of you.
You know, nothing frightens the cub when the mother is around.
And His Majesty demands your presence right now.
Well, why me?
It is you. You're going with me to the palace now.
Please. I beg you. It can't be me.
You're wasting my time. Let's go.
One who kills Elisa does so out of interest. Elisa does not treat people. Please. Please. Let me talk to Her Majesty before going to the palace.
You are delivering the king. There you go again, as a child. Because you do not know the strength of the lion. That is why you call the lion a dog. It is the king that demands your presence and not the queen. Let's go. Stand! That way! Go!
Did you see that?
What?
Am I not beautiful? Am I not?
Nobody's saying that you're not beautiful. No, you are beautiful. Imarama.
I want you to tell me the truth. I want to know if I am not beautiful. Or there's any woman nature I do not possess. Ijoma, please. Tell me if there's anything in a woman which I possess. You are the best in the world.
You should not cry. You're physically endowed everything that makes a woman. If you huh?
Then why is Majesty not giving me attention?
Ha! Charity.
You must wake up for this. It's obvious that our presence is not recognized in this palace. Just look at the former that came the other day. His Majesty requested for us our presence. Are you serious?
Why I'm here?
Why not me? Why not me, Charity? Her Majesty made her leader over us. Why not me? If that is not enough, His Majesty sent gifts, packages to our true Sibling. As I'm talking to you right now, that witch, that ugly monster, she's at the king quarter. Yes! Or do you think I don't deserve royal treatment? Eh?
If frog does not talk, to avoid water entering its mouth, you should not complain. After all, we are being paid for our services here.
Informer is also paid. I am leaving this palace. I am not created to watch others smile while I can smile. I want to smile so that others can watch me.
One who walks on the boundary does not step on people's cups. I like it as people don't notice me. They give trouble if they pay attention to me. I don't care if Informer is in the palace. I don't care, it's not my business.
Because you don't want it. You are not qualified.
You are here wagging your tongues. Where is Informer? I said, where is Informer? What? The king's water? That the surface of the water has looked beautiful is not enough reason for one to lie on it. Today I will teach her a lesson she will not forget in a hurry. I will teach her today that the palace is not meant for mates. I will not take it from her. I will skin that girl. Where is she?
As the name implies. Oh,
You're welcome.
how are you today?
I'm fine.
Very good, very good. Okay, Mwa. I must continue to greet you again and again and again. Because if we okay, Mwa.
Thank you too.
Welcome. Omeka Naya one of Obolo Kingdom. I greet you again and again.
I even thought of coming to your house. But one thing led to another. I could not do it.
I know you will not be able to make it. And I have always told you too that even at my age, I am stronger than you. Do you take it?
I accept.
Very good.
But I want you to remember that plantain soccer does not produce before it's Hey, Chief, just to wait. Let me bring some groundnut for you.
Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. I have very important discussion with you. Okay, Chief. If I may go. How things have spoiled. So many things going wrong in this kingdom. And I cannot stand, fold my hands, and watch another man take your throne. Eh?
Chief, I have told you before, and I will still tell you now that I am not interested in kingship. It's only a foolish man that digs his grave with a cutlass. His Majesty is my elder brother. Don't expect me to kill him because I want his position. No, I cannot do that. God forbid.
God will not forbid. God will not forbid. God will never forbid. Listen to me. Listen very. You have not actually understood what I am talking about. It is the same God that created the hen, also created the fowl. But I tell you, both of them do not have the same destinies. No, can't you see that your brother is suffering? Can't you see he is suffering? No child. In fact, even if it is a child that looks like a puppy, he should have it. But no. The queen does not want him to bring in another one. This is the reason you have to prepare yourself to take over the throne.
Chief, I know all that.
Good.
But never in this life will I stand against hearing a cry of baby in his household. Simply because I want his position. No. I want his children to inherit the throne. That's all.
Chief, you ready to take that throne? Because if it were me, I would have taken it.
Chief.
That is it.
One thing is certain. He who chases a chick has the fall, while the chick has the throat. You cannot poison my heart against my own blood brother.
Huh? Poison your heart?
That is what you are doing now, Chief.
I'm poisoning your heart. I am poisoning your heart. It's alright. All I know is be ready to accept the throne. That is all. Okay, so now I'm poisoning your heart. You got food poison. You got food poison. You got food poison. You said I poisoned your heart.
What is this? Kabugeni. Is it by force to be a king?
Was up to something. How can a tortoise survive the battle that consumed the lion? Just shut up!
taller than its owner. Who is responsible for this bastard in your womb? Speak up before I tear you apart!
I'm not pregnant.
How dare you lie to me? How dare you lie to me? The plantain sucker does not produce before its mother. I will ask you for the very last time. Who is responsible for this good-for-nothing child you're carrying in your womb?
I swear, Your Majesty, I'm not pregnant. I'm saying the truth.
You're lying!
No,
You're lying to me!
I'm saying nothing but the truth, Your Majesty.
You're still lying to me. The ear that refuses to listen must be cut off. I've been noticing your movements in the palace recently. And I will ask you again. Who is responsible for this pregnancy?
Your Majesty, I have never been to the palace without your permission. I'm not pregnant for Your Majesty.
What is it? What is it? I can no longer sleep with my eyes closed because of both of you. What is happening here?
Well, Your Majesty, it's women's issue. And Your Majesty would not like to know everything about women. And as for you, you have touched the lion still. You shall see.
Your Majesty, it is only a fool that will be chasing a rat when his house is on fire. We cannot continue to keep quiet over the sudden disappearance of our chief priest. He is our power and the mouthpiece of the gods. We cannot just fold our hands and pretend as if everything is okay. I'm afraid, who knows what will happen next? Who knows?
Will you shut up your mouth? Nothing will happen. Shut up your mouth if you don't know what to say. What is it? Will you just come here to open your mouth and begin to say that? I mean, when will you learn to know how to use important words in a gathering of elders like this? No, do you think you can just come to the palace like this and then you are talking anyhow? You are talking anyhow! Let us speak to important things. Must you speak because you want to speak? Hey!
Owakwe,
What is it?
let me tell you. When the toad in front falls into a pit, others take caution. I have not seen anything wrong in what Ophelia had just tell me. Owakwe, let me tell you. I have not seen anything wrong with what Ophelia just said that will make you to attack him the way you are attacking me. Iji Owakwe, let me also remind you. When the toad in front falls into a pit, others will take caution.
Tell me.
We cannot fold our arms and pretend that all is well with us. Listen, when a child knows what killed his father, he will fight so that that same thing will not kill him.
Shut up your mouth too. Shut up your mouth. So that let us discuss important things and not about the chief priest. Your Majesty,
My fellow elders,
when someone sees a looming doom and keeps quiet, that doom will backfire to affect him. Since the disappearance of our
Chief priest, I have not rested one second. I'm in support of what Ophili said.
Oh, see.
We should go and consult the ATDB of Egudu so that we can trace our chief priest.
If they say you should go, will you go? So anyway, my fellow elders, let us not break our heads for nothing. The chief priest we are talking about must be somewhere communicating with the gods. And I know very well that as soon as he completes his assignment, definitely he will come back. So why do we have to kill ourselves? Why?
Well,
Igwe, why?
Well then, the stick once is does not break. You don't need any speech here to tell me all is not well. I am for the idea of going to Ezekiel of Egudu Kingdom. We shall all go to him to know more about this community and the sudden disappearance of this chief priest.
Igwe! Stop Igwe! Don't say Igwe! Don't subscribe to everything. And you are not the only member here. Oh, wow!
Please Igwe at any moment.
It's alright.
Well, Uwakwe, you and two shall visit Ezekiel in the next market while our men search for him in the forest.
Your Majesty, I really took myself. Please permit me to go with them since your brother Okenwa is not around.
So, you mean you want to go with them?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Okay then. There is no difference between the right ear of the horse and the left ear of the same horse. You can follow them.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Igwe! I just remembered that my very good in-laws, prospective in-laws like that, will be coming to pay the bride price of my daughter on that very scheduled day. And it may not be possible to go with them, Your Majesty.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Very well then. Lightning does not prevent storm. Others will be. How about you two? Do you have anywhere you're going on the next month?
Anyway, I'm supposed to go and cut my palm tree. But you see, however, I've changed my mind. I'll go with them.
You better change your mind, girl.
May the gods of this land guide and protect you all.
The lion does not roar in the forest in vain. What is your problem? What brings you to the abode of the gods at this time?
My people is my problem. My people are planning to come and find out who killed the chief priest. Please, if they come to you, tell them that the chief priest was attacked and killed by animals. I have a token here.
Drop it.
If it is accomplished, I will come again with more money.
Yes. Anya Johnny, you know, this is a bomb. Go check the betrayal. The Conyamono, no, not a The gods have accepted your money. Yes. Even the ancestors have alerted me of your coming and their readiness and willingness to help you before your arrival. As we are talking, I can see and I can hear them discussing about you, talking about you. Yes. Saying so many good things on your behalf that you are not the one that murdered the chief priest. Yes. Good. No, listen. I can see animals. I can see a lot of them. I can see elephants. I can see lions. I can see pythons. I can see even tigers, big ones. They all gather and attacked and killed your chief priest. But never mind. You throw the bone out there. Sit back and watch the battle between the dog and the spirits. Yes. Well, put to one easy. Kinolani, Kilibogo, the Titinde Mon and Kita. So, never mind. Don't worry. I will help you a lot. Yes.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I think I should be taking my leave.
You can go. Just go. Go and don't be afraid of anything. Fear nothing. Your money speaks for you.
Thank you very much. Hey! Oh!
Your Majesty, I have searched everywhere in the palace. I didn't see a Maid.
What? Where have they all gone to?
I searched their room. There's no Maid in the palace.
That can never be possible. Ifoma will not go anywhere.
Your Majesty, that is what I want to see. I am sure that Ifoma is not in the palace. All the maids have gone out. I searched everywhere.
All that is on the road shall not have. Tell Her Majesty I want to see her right away.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
What are the maids?
They do not even answer my greetings.
What are the maids are asking you? Your questions have nothing to do with my request.
And since when did the whereabouts of maids become more important to you than my greetings in this palace?
Nothing as important as Ifoma, as far as this palace is concerned. Where is Ifoma? She is the pillar of this community. I demand her presence right now.
I wonder why His Majesty is so worried about the whereabouts of an ordinary maid. How can easily get me?
I don't know if I have to put water in my mouth before you understand the direction I am driving to. Where are Ifoma gone to? I need to see her right now.
I've not set my eyes on her for the past 1 week now. I'm sorry for not reporting to you earlier.
One what?
Your Majesty! Your Majesty! Your Majesty! Help! Somebody help! Your Majesty!
Your Majesty.
Your Majesty!
Hey! What happened?
I don't know what happened to him. Your Majesty!
The nodding of a lizard does not mean that all is well with it. I can see you are worried. And I ask, why are you worried when I am here to see you through?
Ezedibe, you are right. I am very much worried, Ezedibe. Ezedibe, nothing is hidden under the sun. Well, before I go on, let me unleash my promises to you. Let me strongly and vehemently make this promise. If you do my heart desire for me, I am going to get you a very huge goat. He goat at that. I will get you white coats. I will bring money in addition to it. I promise you strongly. And I mean it. There is fire on the mountain. Fire on the mountain. I want to become the Igwe of this kingdom. And that is why I have come. And if you could do that, another promise, I will make you the chief priest of this kingdom.
Now you are talking like a man. But I tell you this, you have just one challenge.
What is the challenge?
Your friend is the challenge. His name is Okenwa. Get him out of the way and the throne is yours.
Okenwa is a small boy. Small boy. I am going to strangle him to death. Yes, I will. But please, I want you to accomplish that. Please, do it. And I will never fail in my obligations. Please.
Now listen. If fire could kill the tortoise that has iron shell, get him out of your way and the throne is yours.
Thank you very much.
Hold on, don't go yet. Don't forget to keep your words with the gods. I promise.
I will. Let me do my will.
Go on. Go on. The throne is yours. Go. The throne is yours. Go! The throne is yours.
Elders of our land, I greet you all. A stick that one sees does not blind his eyes. So many things have been happening in this kingdom, and they have been bothering me. And that is why I want you to know about it. Bad things, death here and there have been happening. I want you to look at the death going on here and there. And I know very well that Her Royal Majesty knows what is going on. Maybe she has something to say about it.
No, I disagree with you, Wabi. Let me remind us. A child that pokes his finger in palm oil will rub himself. Let us stop putting accusing fingers on anyone. Let us allow Her Majesty to have peace.
Elders of my land, I greet you all. I'm standing before you to prove my innocence over the death of His Majesty. I can swear by my ancestors.
No.
If they need
No, you will not swear. You will not swear. An elder cannot be at home and see the goat deliver in theater. You are innocent, you cannot swear. You are innocent.
It's all right. Listen to me. The bush does not sway this way and sway the other way when there is no wind. This woman is not innocent. But if she says she is innocent, let her prove it by taking an oath. I cannot imagine that people will be dying and on the other side, disappearance of so many people on this land.
Wako, please stop dragging this kingdom back. Stop it. We are not here to judge anyone over the death of our king. No, that's not why we're here. We need a new king. Let the sleeping dog lie, please.
I will let the sleeping dog lie. The truth is bitter, but I have to say it. A child should know what killed his father before that same ailment kills him.
Owakwe, you have spoken very well.
Thank you.
But let me remind you, elders, it is not only the flesh of a cow one sees. Sometimes you see the bone.
Yes.
Let us allow Her Majesty to have peace of mind.
Yes. Yes. We answer to bless you. You cannot kill the yam for maize. Neither will kill maize for yam. They are all edible foods. Owakwe, Owakwe, come down for you plan to in this matter. Come straight down. Let Her Majesty live a peaceful life. Is that okay? You are troubling her too much.
I support you, Chuka. I support you. We need a way forward here. We that are alive, we need to live in peace. Her Majesty, you can leave us now.
Thank you, my elders.
And
She should go.
oh,
Of course.
You asked her to go?
Yes.
Oh, you asked her to leave?
yes.
I can see that you all have been blindfolded by her atrocities. Listen to me. Her beauty should not becloud your sense of reasoning. Let her take the oath. I have told you all. That is all. If you like, let her leave.
Let the gods of our land rise and swallow anybody that does not want peace to reign in this community.
You say... Look, my fellow elders, in 4 market days' time, Okenwa will be crowned as the king of Obolo. Umekanaya 2 of Obolo kingdom.
Though he is not here, we shall do that.
Exactly. Let us go. Yeah. Leave me alone. Let's go.
I want
He derives joy from killing the people who are away.
He has mentioned the poison out of his mouth. Okenwa said, I want to poison his mind. Now comes the real poison. Okulelele. I want Okenwa dead.
Bad man, no get the conscience, you.
Yes. Okenwa. Oh, Okenwa. Oh, Okenwa. Oh, Okenwa. Okulelele. Sugoya. Meya. Kongu.
Bad man, no get
Yes. Yes. Very good. Very good. Burn him. Burn him. Hey.
I'm scared. This has not happened in this house before. Why are you sweating profusely like this?
I am weak.
Chill.
I am dying.
Calm down.
My body is on fire.
God forbid! You will not die. In my war! Calm down.
When an evil plotter beats his drum for the downfall of the innocent, the ghost won't allow it sound. Nothing happened to you.
Just calm down.
I cannot survive this.
Hey! Chimo! Because of our...
Take care of our children, okay? Tell them.
No. Iko, don't die.
Hey! Wait! Chimo, wait. Remember they shall crown you the king of Obulu Kingdom tomorrow, please. Why do you think you will die today? Wait. Iko, Hey!
Directed you.
No.
Is never want to die.
Don't die. I want to be the queen of this kingdom. Please stay alive so that my dream will come true. Wait. Let me bring water for you here. Let me bring water. Hey!
My husband! Because let me over here, please!
No matter how far and fast a falsehood would travel, the day will come, the truth will prevail. I have told you people severally, time without number, I told you people that this woman is something else. But all of you paid deaf ears and waved it with levity. Now look at what is going on in this community. How will people hear it that Okenwa, that was supposed to be crowned today, suddenly he died? What about late Ebuka, a man that is well known in this community for his good works? Also, he died. And you people call it ordinary. How ordinary is it? How ordinary is it? Eh? Eh?
I am innocent of this accusation. I do not have a hand in the death of His Majesty Anukenwa. I can go to any length to prove my innocence.
My daughter, that's alright. A man who follows the footsteps of others does not have a footprints. I still maintain that Her Majesty is innocent. Yes, she is innocent. Why don't you allow her to mourn her husband instead of subjecting her to such pain and agony?
Chuka, you are right. Honestly, I don't see why Her Majesty should be treated like an outcast in the community she once headed, simply because the bunch of palm tree cut did not fall to the place where it was cut. I will suggest that we give Okewa a befitting burial like one of our kings of this community. Then take a giant step by crowning Owakwe as our new king, as since he's the head of the elder council. That is my humble suggestion. I don't know. What are you people?
Dog does not lick the wound on its head. Her Majesty has been a good mother in this kingdom, Mr. I know. She is not the cause of the calamity that has befallen us.
Let us call a spade a spade. Bikuni. Now, I don't subscribe to that. If you like, call a spade a shovel. All I know is she must take an oath before the gods. And that is only when I will ascend this throne. Owakwe. Owakwe. Look, this is against our doctrine.
Exactly.
Tradition and culture. You don't need to subject Her Majesty to that kind of torture. It is a taboo. Look, we don't need to make things hard for our people. Right? We don't subject our people to hardship. It does not mean because His Majesty died, therefore Her Majesty should be punished. It's unheard of. Yes, unheard of. Unheard of. Can you hear that? Can all of you listen to that? Eh? Listen to me. Cannot make the strong weak by weakening the strong. You cannot. She has to take the oath. She has to. And that is only when I will actually ascend this throne. Because I don't want to die like others. Yes. Okay. Yes.
Her Majesty is still a good mother. No matter what happens. Exactly. The chameleon cannot change its movement because the bush is burning. Oh. Let us take our body alone and stop disturbing a woman that has just lost her husband.
Because our God will guide you and bless you.
Because Equal, my words remain the same. She must take an oath before the gods. Final. I have spoken.
My elders, I accept to take the oath. Swearing the oath will bring peace back to this kingdom.
Yes, it will. It will. You must surely swear. There is no doubt about that. Come come shine. You must swear. In fact, I am going to invite Ezediga who will come and perform his duties here. And not only that, I am going to make let me keep that to myself.
My daughter, cry no more. Clear conscience, fear no accusation. Cry no more.
Why not like a good thing? It like to kill and destroy. Owakwe Onyiyama sọ̀rọ̀ nsọ Marakwa amara Iyonye meteri oburu. Whatever you sow, that you will get. It's like you not get it duplicate. The right to kill people.
My brother.
The right to protest for their eyes.
My brother, I am as confused as anything you can think about.
Why are you confused?
Our people say that the tree that will make a good drop is spotted out at an early stage. This our Igwe is driving us into the mud. I don't think I can continue to attend the elders meeting with you again.
Something is wrong in this kingdom. Something is wrong. Every night I hear the voice of crying baby and her innocent mother. This means something great is wrong in this kingdom.
I must tell you the truth. I'm afraid of the palace now. A half woman and a half snake was chasing me in my dream last night. And this happened each time I visit the palace.
Hey! Look, I had a similar dream last night. Yes. A man was chasing me with a pistol. He wanted to kill me for collecting 5 tubers of yam from the palace.
What do you suggest we do? A bull does not sway this way or that way without a wind. I am afraid I've decided not to visit the palace again.
Ofile, I would have suggested that we consult the Izedibia. But Izedibia have connived with the Igwe to destroy this kingdom. In respect of not going to the palace, it will make the Igwe understand that something is wrong.
You see, the weed will die, but it has to wait till the dry season. I don't want to die a shameful death when my hands are clean.
No, not at all.
I'm telling you, I don't want to attend the meeting again in the palace. That is the truth.
Ofile, I would suggest I will stop collecting gifts from the palace. I think that will be the solution to the problem.
I think you are right. But you see, I had a very bad affair this season. That is just my problem.
Well, anyway, no problem. When we meet again, we shall continue the discussion. Huh?
Tell me why you are killing us. Tell me why you are fighting us. Tell me why.
The Queen of Obolo Kingdom, I bring these items to end your reign in our kingdom. Answer me from wherever you are. Answer me from wherever you are. Answer me. Yes. Accept my sacrifice. Accept my sacrifice. For it is said, and when the gods accept one sacrifice, they pay back. Accept these items I brought here as sacrifice for you. Eat! Eat! And sleep in peace. that the leg of a mother hen never kills such things. As I bury this on your grave, as long as it lasts on your grave, so shall you rest forever. Rest forever. Rest forever. Rest and rest forever. I have made all necessary sacrifices, but the beds are still shouting, which is an indication that there is an impending danger.
The child that grows big teeth must also grow big legs to cover them. You are still talking about danger. After all the sacrifice I have made, still speaking about danger. Listen to me, you must be joking.
Talk is of man, to decide is of the gods. I am doing my best.
Don't mention that word again. Don't! Your best is not enough, Ezedibia.
I have done my best. I've done all the necessary sacrifices. Maybe I have to get across to be a Zemmoffed with the kingdom. Maybe he could be of help.
Like I said, go and do everything possible to avert that situation.
You must not apportion the blames to me alone. You must not! Her Majesty of the Blessed Memory is contributing in making things difficult for us. And hear this! Hear this! There is a greater force coming to take over this throne.
This throne?
This throne.
It will never happen!
We're not like a good thing. It like to kill and destroy.
When next I visit, I will show you.
Yes, with pleasure and sincerity of purpose. And once more, welcome you to Buni community.
Thank you very much.
You see, my name is Philip. My house is just directly opposite the village square. Please, anytime you are in this community, do well to visit me.
I want to assure you something today, sir. Anytime I come to this village, I must visit you.
I'm not sure you are from this community.
No, I am not. I'm from Ebudu Kingdom. But my mom is from this community. And I want to tell you that I love your community.
Hey, that is interesting. That is interesting. Allow us to tell you, we all like you. We'd like you to be coming around to talk to us. In fact, we would like you to even go to the palace and talk to our Igbo so that you can become a better person. Once more, you are welcome. As you can see, I will see you.
Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir. Save you well to your family.
Bye-bye.
How could it be that my people valued this stranger more than me? They gathered in the village square to cheer up the stranger they knew nothing about. None of them cared to honor my invitation. I must kill this stranger. I must strangle him myself. No matter what it will make me to take. A fowl that swallows a nail does not live to boast of it. He cannot tell me I go scot-free. Never.
Bad man no get the conscience, yo. He derives joy from killing the people who walk away. Bad man, I jump.
What is it?
Igwe.
What is it? Why are you running?
Igwe, my ears have heard what the ears of a warrior should not have heard. My eyes have seen what a hero forbids. Igwe, a stranger in this land opened his mouth and said that you are not righteous. Igwe, I could not remember all the accusations, but I think you should be dealt with severely.
Thank you very much for the information. You may leave. For you can see that we have very important discussion going on. Thank you.
Is that what you have to say?
The ashes known by a man returns to him.
Igwe, this stranger called you unrighteous. I don't want a stranger in this land. Let me personally deal with him, Igwe.
I said leave this palace! For I invite the wrath of wickedness. Live here.
Leave my presence! Igwe.
man, Ajamado. Bad man no get the conscience, yo. He derives joy from killing the people, oh, away. Bad man, Ajamado. Bad man. Matakwa Amaran, after rain, sun must shine.
The only thing that makes me happy. Hey! Emeka, come back home. Emeka, remember your mother. Remember your mother. Remember your poor mother, Emeka. I'm dying. I'm dying. I'm gone. I'm finished. Emeka, I'm getting but I will die. Why do you feel? Why are you sitting outside? You told me you were hungry, and I just your food. Instead of you came and just sit here.
Mama, there is something you're not telling me. Something that has to do with my origin.
You worry so much. Anyway, how was your journey to?
It was awesome. It went well. Tell me, Mama. Tell me more about my origin.
Your father is I met him when I was in the palace, though I was close.
Then why do you always tell me to be careful each time I visit that kingdom?
I told you to be careful because I'm afraid they will kill you just the same way they killed your father. Those people are wicked. I don't want you to go there.
Mama, I don't want you to worry about me. I'll be fine. No man born of a woman can kill me. I'm surprised that you're even saying this because I am celebrated in Ibu. They love me. Nothing would happen to me.
Yeah, just enjoy it. Go and eat. Go and eat your food now.
Thanks.
Go today at the orphanage. Were you able to see the orphans?
Mom, you wouldn't believe it, but I had a very terrific day. I mean, my day was wonderful. They prayed for me and my mates.
That's good to know. That's my daughter. The Mma of Obolo Kingdom.
Yes, Mommy.
So tell me, what was their prayer point?
You know, Mom, I was confused myself. They prayed for me to become the queen of this land. Mommy, what is it?
Useless daughter. Let me see you step your feet in that orphanage again. I will skin you alive. So you want to take my position?
No, Mom. I didn't mean it that way. I don't even want to become the queen of this land.
Leave me alone. Don't touch me. Let me tell you something. The lizard that stops his father's funeral will eat the corpse alone. Where do I go for you to reign? You can see you are biting much more than you can chew.
Well, I didn't mean it that way. What's saying what
Thank you very much. Yes, Dibia. My people. I called you here for reconciliation. Because I want peace to return to this community. A stranger entered this kingdom. And that stranger has come to destroy and tear us apart. That stranger is a threat to peace in this land. And that is why I have called you all for reconciliation, so that we will put force together to fight this stranger. Because that is the only way we can achieve our aim. I want the worried parties
Igwe, with due respect, there is no warring party amongst us.
One.
Igwe, there is no one holding grudges among us. Listen, Igwe, we have been living in peace in this community.
Exactly.
And we will continue to live in peace. Whether the stranger is here or not, we will continue to live in peace.
So shall it be. Igwe, John is right. No one is fighting anybody here.
It's you.
It's all right.
Anybody here? I mean,
That's all right. I thank you all. I thank you all because I can see that we are of one family and that reconciliation has taken place. But there is one thing. A stranger came into this community, like I said. Who is harboring that stranger? Who? The stranger is in the house of one of us here. Who would that be?
Igwe, he talked about stranger. I have not heard or seen this stranger. Whether
whether a man or a woman. I have not heard or seen that stranger.
Listen. One who urinates in the river should not forget that his family members will drink from it. Whoever is harboring that stranger that has come to destroy must fetch him out. Or I will show you where coconut gets its water.
Igwe, I think I saw the stranger. Yes, I saw the stranger, but he seems like a man from one of our neighboring communities.
All I am saying is bring him out. I am giving you 48 hours to do that. Or you will see the wrath of the gods.
Igwe, no man dies twice.
Well,
yes. No matter what the eyes say, it does not bring blood.
At all.
I have no hands in the fight against the stranger. If the stranger likes to live here, let him come and live here.
Bam, now.
No.
Eh?
Asagiri. Osimba.
Hey.
I am the king of this kingdom. And by the powers conferred on me, I have right over all things. No stranger comes to live in this kingdom. Listen to me, John. If I find out that you are the one harboring that stranger, I will tell you that it is easy to urinate, but the fowl does not do it. Be careful.
My daughter has been sick. Let's go and take care of her.
Go and take care of your sick family.
Your warriors to insult me. Father, you gave me the worst insults today because your people call me the princess, which I know I am not. Take this. This is your royal attire. I am no longer the princess. I cease to be called the princess of this land.
So where are you going to?